Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera app. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin. Click on this option, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera shutter lag on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.